Hello, welcome to the strategy execution tips. In the last video, we talked about the level of details that we should have in the planning. Let's now have a look at how we can make the planning realistic. To build a planning, we need first to define the scope. And this comes from a product breakdown structure. And this comes from a product breakdown structure. And then a work breakdown structure, that is a number of deliverables and or activities. Based on these deliverables, we need to determine the level of quality, so the quality requirements that we want to reach. Based on the quality requirements, we can define the resources to achieve these deliverables. And from the resources and the scope, we can determine the timing that is achievable for these deliverables. Together, the time and the resources will determine the cost of the project. And the final stage to get a realistic planning is to have a look at the risks. So the risks on all the other 5 elements: the scope, the quality, the resources, the time, and the cost. And from there, define a number of mitigations and or contingencies, which will influence the content, the scope of the project, and its timing again. So the bottom line is the realistic planning comes with a careful analysis of the resources and the risks. How about that? Is this useful? If so, please subscribe to the channel. More tips are coming.